Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim. I show everyone how to properly trade binary options and also show you to the easiest and most profitable strategies for you. Before starting this video, I recommend you to subscribe to my closed Telegram channel where I post free signals with 90% accuracy. Link in the descriptions and we start our trading.
So guys, let's start our trading session. Let's pick the currency pairs, these ones are gonna work. And now we are gonna look for the most promising currency pair. This one is exactly what we need, and we open at $269. Short position. First of all, we take a look at the fractal and point out that the local high was updated, which indicates that the price is gonna go down. Correction is about to happen. So let's watch the price movement. Today we are gonna work with the fractal and the RSI. This is the trend indicators, and we are gonna open position with the trend. So we see a nice downward dynamics, and I think we are good. As you can see, the price has been closed in profit. There is $500 for the balance. And let's move on to the next currency pair. This one is also perfect for us, and let's open a $500 long position. As you can see, the local low was updated here. We see this huge peak and the price is gonna go up. We observe a small pullback, guys. By the way, take a look at this huge dump. There were a serious price drop on the RSI. We see that the moving average hasn't hit the overbought zone. And we have some space, guys. There was 30 seconds left before the closing. And if we look at the chart on a large scale, I want to point out this support zone here, touch, and also here after which the price reversed each time. So there are 9 seconds left before the closing. And there we go. Our position is in a profit, guys. There are $900 on the balance. And we are gonna move on the next currency pair. This is a good one, I guess. And let's open the long position right away. To begin with, I want to show you that the local low was updated here according to the fractal. If we look at the RSI, the touch of the horizontal zone did happen, and the pullback is happening. The price is gonna go up. We observe a kind of sideways here, after which the breakdown has happened. The downward trend showed up, and there are 20 seconds left before the closing. And as I said, I early the chart showed move upwards. Let's watch, you guys. And there we go. Another position has been closed with a profit. So far so good. We got $1,700 on the balance. Let's find the next currency pair. So this one looks good, and let's open a 1,000 short position right away. Let's open another short as well. As you can see, the moving average hit overbought zone. We are gonna see the reversal. You could say that the local low was updated, so the charts to go up. But it's not the case. The candle will close in 15 seconds, and I'm sure that we are gonna see the updating of the local high right after and have a look, guys. the inception of the new candle. The fractal hasn't showed the updating yet. Anyway, there are 20 seconds left before the closing. As you can see, the candle doesn't show confidence, however we have good trade entry levels. And the first one has been closed in profit, guys, the same, very nice. And we got $3,200 on the balance. Let's move to the next currency pair. Well, looks really promising, and let's open $3,000 on short position here. As you can see, the touch of the orbital zone took place, and we are likely to see the downward dynamics. We see the updating of the local low on the fractal, and that the supposed to mean that the price is going to go up, but it's not that simple. The price is going lower. There are 40 seconds left before the closing. And we can already see beautiful breakdown. Let's watch the price movements. And we got almost $5,000 from the balance, and let's find another currency pair. This one is exactly what we need, and let's open 5 short position without hesitation. And actually let's open another one. As you can see, the local high was updated here according to the fractal, after which the price is heading down. Actually, we see this insane move on the air side, the moving average broke through on the orbital zone, and the reversal is even, guys. So let's watch the price movement. There are around 35 seconds left before the closing. There we go, guys. So the position have been closed in profit. Good job. We got $10,000 on the balance. And that's it for today. I hope you learned the basic principle of work without the indicators. We open position and its trend direction, watch correction, local high and lows, and it work perfectly. Subscribe to the channel, and good luck in trading. Bye bye.